Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Here's a quick way to link workbooks. This is a brief introduction, and then we'll get a little deeper into this over the next few sessions. In terms of linking, we can link to, let's say, another worksheet. We can go through a workbook. We can reference an ad from a worksheet and a workbook. Internal links, we can go to outside links. We can link to a whole host of we have a lot of different options. And I'm going to introduce all of that to you here in the next few sessions. What we want to look at here is some of the structure here. You can see here are two links. They're lengthy and they're confusing. And I'll explain those to you in a bit. So you have this C plus and this 28.3 and these different letters and structures and brackets. I'll explain that to you next.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime.